Alright, so as you can see, I have the all new iPhone 16e that just launched today, and you can see looks it looks alright. I got it in black, 128GB. So there's one thing I've been wondering is, can you put an iPhone 13 case into an iPhone 16e? Well, this is my mom's iPhone 13, and as you can see right here, it's still on iOS 15 because the way how the lock screen looks, and you can pretty much see right here 15.7.1. This is the last version of iOS 15 that the iPhone 13 gets. So you can see I got this smallish case. So yeah, this beautiful looking blue, and here's the 16e. So both of them have the same exact dimension and size. It's just the bottom, because the bottom on the iPhone 13 it uses Lightning, meanwhile on the iPhone 16e it uses USB-C, although it's only 2.0. Well, the Lightning is also 2.0. The side, the power button seems to be the same height. The only difference is the mute switch on the iPhone 13, while the action button on the iPhone 16e. Power button looks the same, the top looks the same, and yeah, the camera layout too. So let's see where it fit. The port looks fine, which you can see right here. The button, let me just swipe and just see, show it actually clicks. Good. You can press the action button, although it's weird that there's two button that's covered while this one is not. Camera, yeah, it seems to be fine, and obviously the power button, it works well. So as a conclusion, you can put an iPhone 13 or a 14 case on an iPhone 16e. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Check out my other videos right here, and yeah, bye.